Hello everyone, my name is Yunus, and today I'm going to talk about a little bit of space workshop that we plan to do in here, Turkey. Let's start with the agenda. I will briefly talk about the overview of myself and my university, and then the UNISON-Turkey, and the parts of the workshop that we plan to do, and then the target audience and location, and also timeline, and what we aim to do from this workshop. So let's start about myself. My full name is Yunus Özdemir, and I'm sophomore at aerospace engineering student here at Yunus Technical University. I am currently in two teams actually. One of is rover team, local rover team here, and the other is CubeSat team here. We were MIC finalists last year, MIC 8, and actually here there is a competition named Anatolian Rover Competition, and it is international, and we were finalists there too. Uh, my fields are computing, communications, autonomy, yeah, mostly software and sometimes electronic parts. My university, Middle East Technical University, one of the greatest schools in here, Turkey, and our department has established in 1981 and uh, have contributed to many areas in engineering in here, Turkey, such as satellite designs or EAVs or aircraft manufacturing. Our students have participated in many competitions in the recent years, such as the seventh Mission Idea Contest winner was from our school graduate student. And also, if you're interested, our school helps to organize the big Technofest competition, and it has many areas to join, and it is international mostly. Feel free to check it out, and I will post that link to chat later on. Let's start with UNISON-Turkey. It is a new thing here. There are some people that will work on the workshop itself, Helen, Eren, and Akif. I think for now, for planning and development of the workshop, it is enough, but we will have a larger group. And also other people in Unison are working on different subjects, working on another competitions or so. So let's start with the workshop itself. Why do we need here in Ankara, Turkey, this workshop? There are not many workshops here actually. So we want to make it common, more common, and it is valuable information for many people. It offers, and also we attract more students in space field. We need more students, more teams, more competitions here. So I think it is the most optimal way to do that, planning a workshop. Let's start with the parts of the workshop. Data analysis will be part of it, first one. We are planning to make one day data analysis workshop using the open sources from NASA, European Space Agency, or similar data sets we can find. Actually, last year at MIC 8, there were this workshop about Google Earth Engine, and it was the most valuable thing that I learned there. So I thought maybe we can do that here too. This part of the workshop will include data analysis, and it will offer the students who join this workshop many information about this. Second part is about hands-on learning. We will invite industry leaders and companies around here or international companies we can find, we can reach to come here and together we will work on actual satellite itself to teach more people about satellite subsystems or softwares or just the actual experience we can offer to them. And we plan to do with UNISEC-Turkey this thing. And also the companies here, Plan S and Hello Space, will probably help to do that. Will help us to this hands-on experience, and it will really help students to gain that much information. Uh, yeah. And the next will be the presentation parts of this workshop. And I think it is the most exciting part. We are thinking to invite teachers and industry leaders to come here and explain their field or their expertise. And we haven't choose any names yet, but we are planning to do it. And yeah, target audience will be mostly undergraduate students for now, but we plan to do it for high schoolers here because in Turkey or in anywhere actually, the more younger people, students have more attraction towards space field. So I think it is valuable for us to offer them this kind of event. And location will be here this year at our university, Middle East Technical University. And Ankara is the city, the capital city of Turkey. And the timeline will be like this. It is a big vague, I know. It is not determined fully yet. We are planning to finalize the outline around 2 to 3 months, and then organize this event actually, and then we will open for registration, and then the actual workshop will happen. And the outcomes and significance is, I think, very clear. Our country and also many countries I know needs to have projects like this and offer students more information in this field. And also, from Unison's perspective, we need more collaboration here to do this workshop. Uh, we will have presentations about university teams, and also I think we can have presenters around the world from, for example, Thailand or Japan, come and present their technology or their team, and it will have a spark for our students here or any student who joined this workshop, and it will have the best collaboration we ever had. Uh, this was my presentation. I hope it wasn't that short. Thank you for listening to me. And you can contact me in this email. I can post it in the chat later on.